What up, YouTube? This video is taken on the Sunday morning, August 10th, 2025. Time right now is 7:52 a.m. And let's see how the Questor 2 does on a little Brando. I don't have it fully tuned yet. I'm still in the process of tuning it. It's a lot better from the last video I posted, but I haven't got in there yet. But this will be the first time. Oh, I forgot my glasses. This will be my first time testing out my workflow of using the 04 air unit. So I had to break out the Insta360 1R, which I haven't used in a while. I used to use it all the time. You see, I'm not a big fan of. I still get light leak in these goggles, so I'm not a big fan of that. But yeah, it's the first time using the Insta360 1R. Okay, well, it shows we're recording. In my test, flying around the house, I have it set to auto record on ARM, and it did record on the 04 unit previously. Now I don't want to wreck. This Bando is easily accessible, so I just want to take advantage of it. But I'm really not in a position to wreck. And this is the first time flying on this tune, because what I do is I fly one pack, I make one adjustment, and then I fly again. So I made an adjustment last time, and to tell you the truth, it seems like I got the bounce back out of it. The first adjustment I made since the last video is I set the filters up to be exactly how I have the filter set for the Questor, the first Questor. Oh, I almost made it out into the road. Oh, these are always fun to play with. And so a combination of I don't want to wreck this drone since it's brand new, and I'm still trying to tune it, and my skill isn't there. I haven't really been flying that much. I guess I've been flying more than usual. Whoa, what is going on here? They're digging a well? What is that machine? Oh, I guess that's a drill. Drilling? But the one thing about this 04 is you don't have to worry about cutting out at all. Like if I was on the HD0, I would be afraid of going behind this building, especially cinder block. You see, I have no idea what that was. But let's see what's going on in here. A lot of doors. Well, what do you think is going to be in here? Some plumbing. A lot of doors. Don't tell me it's not going to be another dentist's office. Plumbing in a lot of rooms means dentist's office. There's been like an epidemic of dentist offices being built around here. Oh yeah, I posted a Brando video, I guess a couple months ago, more than a couple months ago. I don't know how late it was, and I was wondering what it was, and I was pointing out that how there was a lot of plumbing and a lot of little rooms, and it turned out to be a dentist's office. Boy, without trying to do Matty flips and stuff, these videos are kind of boring. So was that storm drain right there? Yeah, storm drain right there. And he must be putting a storm drain, or was it over here too? Let me see if I can get a nice clean flip. That was kind of clean. Okay, low battery came up.
Low battery, 21.6 volts.
Oh yeah, it is a weird problem, and I think it's an ELRS problem since I updated the firmware, that when I disconnect, so I turn off my drone. When I go to turn off the transmitter, it says I'm still connected, and it warns you not to turn off the transmitter because you're still connected. Okay, that juicy flick was a little late. So I need to figure out what's going on there, but I think that's more on the ELRS side. And I also I keep on forgetting every time I log on. Oh, yeah, we're dipping down. I need to get it so it doesn't beep when the drone loses RX. Because that gets really annoying if you can't recover the drone and it just sits there and continuously beeps. Okay, I have another battery with me. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of it. That'll be a good test of the workflow. I'm trying to sync up the video. That's the only thing about not having audio on the drone. It would be harder to sync up the video. I also miss not having my Crown Vic where I can just throw the drone on the hood of the Crown Vic and not worrying about scratching it and stuff. I really wish they made these goggles 3 in the V2 goggles form factor. I would be all over that. I know everyone goofed on the goggles V2 for being bulky, but I never thought they were bulky. Yeah, I get a little bit of light leak. And I bought different, it's like there needs to be more forward pressure on the face. Okay, armed, it says it's recording. Guess we'll try to take advantage of the range of the 04. Try to do a corkscrew power loop thing. I don't know why. I'm gonna slide on that. Oh, and that sun's coming out. It's funny, I can feel the sun. Oh. Oh, first crash, I guess. I think that hit directly on the battery protector. Now hiring electricians. Well, at least I know where I can get a job. What's this over here? A lock? I know, I guess it's some kind of utility that they went over the canal there. I guess we'll be testing the light conditions on the 04. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to do. On one of my test flights, the 04, the lens was extremely foggy, and I thought it was my goggles being fogged. But when I checked back on the video, it was actually the 04 lens that were fogged. I forgot to clean, I meant to clean the lens before I took off. Oh. Okay. Let me see if I can get a good power loop through this. Oh, nope, didn't go back far enough. There we go. Expert mode, see if I could fit it through here. Do a roll through there, a knife edge. And also expert mode would be going through these pipes, which is possible. Man, I don't want to do it. Although looking down the goggles, I feel like I can do it. I don't want to do it though. But yeah, I just wanted to take advantage of this Brando since it was easily accessible. And I wanted to see what the workflow is going to be like editing a video using 04 footage. I kind of told myself that since I'm filming in 4.3, I want to film 100% of the video in 4.3. So should that be an advertisement, like something I should brag about? Ranham, now available in 4.3. Oh, yep, we're done. Boy, if my skills were up, I'd really be tearing this place up, but that's what happens. So yeah, that'll be interesting. I'm used to not having the 360 camera, so I was gonna try to talk into the drone. But yeah, so this will be a little interesting test to see how the 04 does. As far as the tune, I'm really surprised that I got the tune that much better. It seems like there is just a little tiny bit of bounce back, but it's not that noticeable. So I might make an adjustment, I might not. Actually, I think I might fly somewhere before I make any more adjustments. But yeah, that was the first time that I was actually semi-happy with the tune, let alone first time taking it out onto the field. So far, this drone is working out exactly how I planned it. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of building 2 more. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.